It's still hundreds of miles offshore, about 365 miles southeast of Cape Hatteras. It is still a Category 2 hurricane with winds of 110 miles an hour, but 111 is Category 3, so it's kind of borderline Category 3 right now. There's the center. You can see the spin, and the radar only goes a few hundred miles offshore, so it's picking up the outer rain bands of Erin. And this shows some satellite enhancements, so that shows you the eye a little bit better. So some strengthening is expected. It's moving to the north at 13 miles an hour, but that's going to take that northeasterly curve. So the forecast track has not really changed all that much. It's still going to go between the mid-Atlantic and Bermuda, still a couple hundred miles offshore, and it may be Category 3 for at least a few hours over the next 24 hours. And what this is going to do is it's going to kick up a lot of wave activity along the mid-Atlantic. In fact, going into tomorrow, could have waves along the Atlantic coast of 12 to 15 feet or higher. That includes Virginia Beach and also the Outer Banks, and then things will get a little bit better as the day progresses. We have a tropical storm warning in effect for the coastal areas for some winds over 40 miles an hour. We also have a coastal flood watch in effect. This will likely be upgraded to a coastal flood warning. Water levels from tomorrow afternoon into Friday afternoon could be 1 to 3 feet above normal during the normal high tide cycles. So there's the potential for some decent flooding along the coast.